Hello there, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to extract the SPI flash using this little guy here. So as you can see, he's in a good mood to destroy some SPI flash. And yes, also thank you. You guys are like 52 subscribers now, so that's a lot. I was not expecting that, so thank you. And now we can jump directly on the SPI protocol. So SPI stands for Serial Peripheral Interface. So it's a protocol that it's used between the flash memory, so the non-volatile flash memory, and the CPU. On a lot of embedded device, the firmware is stored inside this flash. So it's very common and useful to be able to extract the firmware from this little chip. You have a lot of ways to do that, a lot of tools. Here I'm going to use the Flipperzero, and also other videos are coming and I'm going to show you with other device. Though I can't do it with the Bus Pirate for some issue with the firmware version and flash ROM version. So if you have a workaround with that one, I will be very interested. And I think that would be it for the SPI. For the flash, so it's a NOR flash. It has 8 pins. And in our case, we are only going to use the chip select pin, the master data in, or is it this one? Master data in and master data out. So MOSI and MISO. The ground, the VCC, and the clock signal. So we are not going to use the 7 and the third one, so only those 6, because we are only going to extract the firmware. I'm not going to use an embedded device this time. I'm going to use a laptop just to extract the BIOS from this little chip. But it's going to be the same process for embedded device. For the requirement, obviously you need a Flipperzero, and you also need a test clip. So this one is a SOIC 8 because it has 8 pins like the NOR flash. So I got mine from SparkFun. It's not that good though. Sometimes the connectors are maybe they are not aligned very well, and it's not working all the time. I have some issue with that one, but yeah, it's working sometimes. So let's see. Also, we are going to need this little application. So it's on the Flipper. I don't remember if it's by default on the official firmware. In my case, I'm using the MNTM firmware. I can show you directly on the Flipper. So yeah, you need this little application, SPI Mem Manager. Yes, let me show you. So you just need to go on the application, GPIO, debug, and here you have the SPI Mem Manager. So if you need all the information of this application right there, obviously I'm going to put and credit everyone in the description. And the interesting part for now is the wiring. So as you can see, you have the NOR flash pinout and all the function and the flipper pinout right there. So I'm going to plug everything and show you the little setup once it's done. Okay, so here is the weird setup because I don't have enough wires. So as you can see, the white one is the chip select, so it will be in that direction. And the ground and the VCC, I had those with the little hook clip. I don't know how to pronounce those, but yeah, this is the setup. So, and I forgot to show you So this is the laptop. It's a Lenovo IdeaPad. It's the S145. And as you can see here, we have the little NOR flash, SPI flash. The focus is not great, but so it's facing that direction. You have the little circle right there. And I'm going to plug everything and then go back on the Flipper application. Okay, so everything is in the right place, and once it's done, so make sure first to power off the device. So don't try to read the SPI while the device is power on. Once it's done, you just press read, and the application is trying to recognize which chip vendor. So in our case, we have that chip in the computer with this version. And now we just need to press read. And obviously a funky name. So it can take a while, so just be patient on that. Okay. And now you just need to wait the dump. So it can take a while, so just be patient on that part.
One eternity later.
Okay, so the dump is done, and it's going to verify also that the dump is not corrupted. As you can see in the save, it's just right there. So actually you have a backup of the SPI now. So for example, if you have an issue with your flash, you could like take a backup and then uh, erase and put back the previous the backup that you did. In our case, we are just going to retrieve the binary. So it's on the QFlipper application. You go on the SD card, apps data, and SPI main manager just here. So you just click download, and it's going to download the file. So at this point, you can just check the previous video I did regarding the firmware extraction. So you could be able to extract the file system and try to find some secrets and do your static analysis on the embedded device. Okay, once it's done, I'm just going to put the binary inside a folder and open the terminal. And it should be just right here, so you can just file and I guess string, and as you can see some data are here. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any question, anything, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments, and I see you next week for another video.